Gregg Shorthand Writing for Beginners. Lesson for today is the sound of oil. O-I. So it is written as O and tiny circle. Okay. From the word boy. So this is the sound of B, oy. Toy, T, oy. Join, that is J, oy, N. Oil, oy, L. Spoil, S-P-O-I-L. That is S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Boil, that is B-O-I-L. Annoy, A-N-O-Y. Point, that is P-O-I-N-T. Next, appoint, that is A-P-O-I-N-T. Appoint. Okay, so next is the combination of men, man, moon, and then mean. Okay, so let us observe the difference. That is letter N and letter E. For the sound of me, that is M-E. For many, that is M-N-A. So combination of M and then N. So longer than letter M. Okay. So example, milk, that is M-N-T. Mental, M-N-T-L. Mentioned, M-N-I-S-H-O-N. D. Mentioned. Next is woman. U-U-E-Men. Woman. Salesman. S-A-L-S-man. Salesman. Next, businessman. Okay, that is B-S, business, and then man, businessman. Next, minded. MN, dead. Immense, EMNS. Next, minute, MET. Minimum, min, EMOM. Next, month, MN over it. Money, MNE. Manner, MNR. Okay, manage, that is MNJ. Manage. Next lesson is how to write the sounds of Y and Ya. Bye-bye!